Hi, here is Kamil. I am data scientist at Neptune AI, and in this video I will show you XGBoost integration. So XGBoost is an open source library which provides a gradient boosting framework with a pretty nice Python API. In our integration, we allow you to see multiple types of information logged automatically from the XGBoost experiments. Right now here, we are in the XGBoost integration. It is public project and it is a collection of experiments and notebooks that presents multiple details of our integration. But for now, I just want to focus on this train demo notebook and scroll a bit to the actual code that shows you the integration. Yeah, here we are. It is the XGBoost train function, and in the callbacks there is a Neptune callback that you need to add to your existing code base to have multiple things logged out of the box. And this is actually everything that you need to do to start using XGBoost integration. You simply add this Neptune callback. Let's take a look at this example experiment and check multiple things that are logged there automatically. So first are the metrics that you have in your watch list. They are visualized as interactive charts like these here. Next, we have feature importances that are logged at the end of training so that you can inspect importances in Neptune. Next, there are trees. Selected number of trees are also logged to Neptune at the end of training. So if you need this sort of information and you need to inspect your trees in the greater detail, you have all this information secured in Neptune for your further reference. In the artifacts tab, there is a saved model, the booster. So later you can download it, use it for the predictions, or just continue training. Here is the source code. This source code was used to create this exact experiment. And here at the bottom is that actual integration. Here is just this single line of code, this Neptune callback that you need to add to your existing code base to see those experiments in Neptune. So that example was just the XGBoost training function. But this integration works out of the box with the CV function, the cross-validation function of the XGBoost, and with the sklearn API. I just want to show you the CV function example because there are few differences. So on the level of the artifacts, you get the model for each fault for free, so out of the box. Next, in the feature importances, you get the feature importances for each fault. So at the end of training, you got this kind of information so that you can easily compare across faults. Finally, there are trees that are also logged per fault. So here is one example, fault number 5. There is example trees. Again, if you need this detailed information about your trees, you can also have it in Neptune. All right, it is very easy to get started with this integration. You just need to go to the machine learning frameworks in our documentation and then to the XGBoost. And here is one example explained end-to-end in the great detail with all the explanations. I just wanted to highlight one particular link. So here is a reference documentation. So if you click here, you will go to the docstrings of this Neptune callback function, so that if you will need to tweak this integration to fit your specific needs, you have a documentation that will help you do it.